Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Nagarjuna to take a break from Bigg Boss again. Nagarjuna took a break from Bigg Boss last year in order to celebrate his 60th birthday abroad along with family members and close friends. This time, the senior hero is having no personal reasons to take a break from the shoot, but due to the professional commitments, he is said to be looking forward to disappearing from the show. According to unconfirmed reports, Nagarjuna is looking forward to kickstarting the shoot of his upcoming film Wild Dog. As shooting in forest is not allowed in India yet, the actor and his crew want to fly to Thailand in a chartered flight to wrap a 20 days schedule. Jagan Mohan Reddy calls on PM Modi, request CBI probe into Amravati land scam FiberNet project. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Tuesday called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi, during which the former had apprised the recent political developments in the state, including the friction with the High Court. Jagan Mohan Reddy is learned to have requested the Prime Minister to order for a probe by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) into Amravati land scam FiberNet project of the previous TDP government and the Antarvedi chariot fire incident. Andhra Pradesh reports 5,795 fresh cases, 33 deaths. Andhra Pradesh reported 5,795 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the overall count of coronavirus cases in the state to 7,29,307, said the State Health Department on Tuesday. Out of the total cases, there are 50,776 active cases in the state, while in the last 24 hours, 6,046 patients have recovered from the infection, taking the overall count of recovered patients across the state to 6,72,479. TRS will win Nizamabad MLC polls with huge majority. TRS Working President and Minister K.T. Rama Rao on Tuesday exuded confidence that TRS will emerge victorious into the Nizamabad local body's constituency by-election. He wanted the party cadre to fight the evil political forces which were trying to sabotage the development taken up by the TRS government and urged them to ensure huge majority for party candidate and former MP K. Kavita in the by-polls. Cricket betting racket busted in Hyderabad, rupees 5.3 lakh cash seized. The Hyderabad Commissioner's Task Force South team caught two persons who were organizing cricket betting and seized rupees 5.3 lakh cash along with two mobile phones from them. The police raided a house at Mangal Ghat and caught Shankar Singh 34, who was organizing the cricket betting. The police nabbed Mohad Zawi 34 of Chandra Gutta, who is a punter. One person, Mohad Khadir, who is also involved in the racket, is at large. Shankar Singh along with Zavid and Khadir were organizing cricket betting on the ongoing IPL cricket matches, said S. Raghvendra, Inspector, Task Force. Telugu CMs colluded on river water sharing. Telangana BJP chief and Karimnagar MP Bandi Sanjay Kumar on Tuesday alleged that Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has compromised the interest of the state by agreeing for a lesser share in Krishna river water than allocated. He said Chandrasekhar Rao agreed for a share of 299 TMC in Krishna water, whereas the state was supposed to receive 575 TMC. During the Apex Council meeting in Delhi, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy presented the document signed by the Telangana Chief Minister agreeing for a share of 299 TMC, and our Chief Minister had no other go but to accept it, he said. Andhra government allocates rupees 13 crore to develop two Shilpa Ramams. The state government issued an order for the development of two Shilpa Ramams. A sum of rupees 13 crore was released for the purpose. Of the total, rupees 3 crore has been earmarked for the development of a new Shilpa Ramam in Srikakulam, while Tirupati Shilpa Ramam will be developed at a cost of rupees 10 crore. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.